What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how you can make $10 a day with CPA marketing and Craigslist. Now, you can make a lot more than $10 a day with this particular method. I'm honestly just saying this solely because I know there's a lot of new people that's getting into this space or whatnot, and they're probably watching like really old videos. And don't get me wrong, those definitely do still work. You just have to phrase and word things a little bit differently now, or just simply run completely different offers. But this video is going to be 100% newbie friendly. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. So first things first is you are going to jump over to your CPA network, and this is the most important part. This will make or break your campaign. This will get your account flagged or not flagged. This will get your account ghosted or not ghosted, etc. You guys get the point. Your offer is literally everything. Do not promote a hypey work from home business type of offer. Will you get conversions? Absolutely, but you are going to kill your account either instantly or within a couple of hours, or maybe even a day or two if you're lucky. Or who knows, you might just get super lucky and it just keeps running, but it won't run for long. So just don't run those type of offers unless you do it on the back end. That's completely different. But if you're just talking about just straight up running, don't do it. It's not really worth it because you can make a lot more money with the account if it's just running and you can post as many ads as you want to, right? So as you can see right here, this one is just like called Yard Friends. So it's literally for work outside, like they apply or whatever, they can work outside doing yard work, stuff like that, right? So this is what you want your ads to look like. Major difference from must have a phone, must be 18 years of age. No effort at all is put into that. Don't get me wrong, it still works, but there is no effort. This looks a million times more professional. Yard workers need it. Oh, I need to change the title, but you get the point. Yard worker needed, 17 an hour starting. Job description, responsibilities, qualifications, pay and benefits. Boom. And then all it is right there is apply. That is so simple. And I didn't even write this. And I didn't pay anyone to write it either. ChatGPT did. Boom. I say, hey, make me a Craigslist post because I'm going to hire someone for this position right here, and then give me all the steps that they would probably be doing, put bullet points, make it look really professional, and this is what it spit out. Not bad at all, right? Now, tell me, when you got a post that looks like this, is it going to get flagged? When it's going to a landing page that looks like this, today. Okay, I don't know why it took so long. But when you see, look, boom, and this Craigslist post matches the landing page, then all they do, click apply, and as soon as they fill out this form right here, you get paid. That's it. That is it. And you get 100% of your conversions, at least in this particular CPA network. Now, if you're over in Max Bounty, like I said, I used to call it Shave Bounty back in the day. But if you're in any of those type of public networks, you are not getting 100% of your conversions. Like if you are having a really hard time getting your very first conversion, I can almost guarantee you are in a public network and you're getting the crap shaved out of you. Like I don't know. I've always had my own ideas of why they do it, but yeah, they shave the crap out of you. Like you can go run an email submit offer, and it's you get paid as soon as the person puts in their email. No, you don't. You might get paid on page 5, 10, page 20 after they purchase something, and they'll just lie to you right on the thing. Or even if they do put in the email and it won't convert every single time. So anyway, like I said, if you can, just go to a super affiliate owned network so that way you don't have to worry about getting shaved or whatnot. But that's it. That's literally the entire process. Like I said, go to ChatGPT, have it write you out a nice looking professional ad. Then, like I said, go to a CPA network, get you an offer or whatever network that you have access to. Basically, just promote something that everyday people are going to be cool with. They're not going to flag this. Telling them everything. This is the job duties. Fill a form out, and then after this, it just goes to a thank you page. Tell them thank you for applying. That's it. There is no hypiness. There's no nothing. This is literally it. So you don't have to worry about your account getting shut down, flagged, or anything when you promote things that Craigslist is actually cool with, right? Now, another thing you want to do too, if you need like images, go over here to Unsplash. You can go to Pixabay, etc., and just use free images, and you can download them 100% for free. So you can, like, this is a good one right here. You know, you can just download this. You know, upload it to Craigslist, have you a nice little ad going, and it's like, hey, we're looking for 2 or 3 workers or whatever, or we're looking for 10 workers or whatever the case may be, and then just go and fill out the application. Simple. That's the entire process. Now, I use Beast Pages to, do everything and whatnot. So if you want to make a landing page for this offer, which if you're going to run this particular offer, I don't really recommend it because there's no reason to do it, but that's up to you. Also use, I don't remember if I touched base on this yet, but if I did, I'll just go quick. Anyway, take your URL for your CPA network and you're going to copy it and you're going to paste it in here. And then when you go to shorten it, make sure that you do a custom alias here. So like you see this one, I'll give you guys an update on this video. On this particular offer here. But as you can see right here, it says Yard Work App. Right. So boom, once they go to it, they click it, everything like that. And then we're going to be good to go. Now, one thing, too, is don't copy word for word. You know, you don't want to do that. If you're going to be that person that goes and like looks at this post here once it's live, once you do that, don't copy it. If you're going to go through like right here, like do something like this. All right. If you really want to copy exactly, well, not copy, but if you want to just model what I'm doing, what you want to do is just copy it and say, reword this, and then it'll literally do it all for you. All right, so boom, so it'll be completely different now once you actually go through and like that. So you see, it's completely different. It built it out for you. Just don't copy and paste it because that's just going to get your account shut down, And that's it. That's literally the entire process on how you can set up campaigns, and they work perfectly fine, and you don't have to worry about getting shut down. Now, for my people out there that's been wondering where I've been at for the last month, because in the last video I was like, oh, I'm back. And then, a month later, here I am making the video. But I should be back for real this time. Like I said, I've gotten a lot of stuff done over the last month here. Got a lot of things, taken care of. So anyway, I did start working on that super affiliate course that I was talking about. So if you want that, just hit me up or whatever. Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably only gonna take a few people for it because it'll be something where I gotta talk to you. I wouldn't say a lot or anything like that because obviously you're gonna have your videos and stuff, but it might just be simple stuff where I gotta talk to you on the phone, or if you like having a hard time closing a client or something like that. Like I'm not gonna have the time to literally have like 50 people, So this is just kind of be a first come first serve type of thing. Also, you need at least 1,500 to 2K for it as well. So basically, in a nutshell, this goes over how to start your own CPA network, how to get users for that CPA network, how to build out your offers, with the funnels, the follow-ups, the whole 9 yards. Also going to be going over how you can start your own website that builds other websites. So like a website builder. So those are amazing. Right now I got this little smaller one or whatnot that I'm doing, and the entire thing is just me getting clients, and I'm paying $4 a month for hosting for the entire website, and I charge them $50 a month to manage it. And after you build the website one time, 99.99% of the time, I've never had anyone hit me up after that. And if it was something super small, like, hey, can you change the location? I'm actually moving. That was it. Oh, yeah, no problem. Boom, copy and paste, done. When I tell you, stupid easy money in that space if you haven't been doing that yet. But of course, like I said, we'll go over how to get clients for that, how to do, just a bunch of, like, basically in a nutshell, how I make money on the back end. Like a lot of the stuff that I don't even talk about. Like I own this little link shortener right here, like just simple stuff like this. Like you can do this very easily. Then you can build a whole brand around it and then sell it. Like let's say I get a couple hundred users on here, and I could just literally just sell it. Even if it was for like something cheap, like $1,000, $2,000, just simply because it has users, active users every day. Like you can make a stupid amount of money, and you can get these websites built for free. You can do it yourself in probably like maybe 20 minutes. And that's it. And it'll cost you absolutely nothing to do it, But anyway, like I said, that's a whole different video, whatnot. Again, if you want to know all that fun stuff, just shoot me an email. Like I said, I'll send you over the information, and that'll be it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.